We're talking about cabinet and all that, and it seems it is dividing the already party, ODM. People saying supporting it, others are not. What would be your position?
The position of the ODM party, to which I belong. In fact, I don't just belong to ODM, I am a ranking member of ODM. For records, I am the Secretary for Political Affairs in ODM. And therefore I sit in the Central Committee of the party. You're also aware that I'm also the leader of the minority party in the National Assembly, courtesy of ODM, where I lead the Azimio troops. I am very clear in my mind what the ODM party resolved insofar as the question of national dialogue and proposition to constitute a broad-based government is concerned. Both the ODM Central Committee and the National Executive Committee pronounced themselves very clearly that they are in support of national conversation. Okay? And they are in support of constructive engagement with the Kenya Kwanza government as a way of addressing national issues, national challenges. The same position was adopted by the ODM parliamentary group. Okay? It is only fair, yes, for us to be guided by the positions taken or adopted by organs of the party. As a disciplined and loyal member of ODM, I have got no option but to abide by the decisions adopted by the party. And therefore there's no contradiction whatsoever when it comes to the idea of engaging in a national conversation, and also when it comes to the matter of constructive engagement with the Kenya Kwanza government as a way of addressing national challenges. Remember, we have said time and again that the Kenya Kwanza government has been carrying out appointments in a skewed manner. And these appointments include appointments to the cabinet. That there are communities or sections of this country that are not adequately represented in the cabinet. Okay? So we must therefore, as a matter of principle, support any attempt to redress that anomaly. Because all Kenyans pay taxes, and all Kenyans deserve equal representation at every level of government. Okay? The issue here is equity, really. Equity in representation, in organs of the state, and in allocation of resources. Thank you very much.
Lastly, James Orengo is opposed to this, and other MPs are going to take action as a party.
I am not the ODM spokesperson. And therefore, as to what will happen to anybody else who is harboring or holding dissenting views, I cannot say for now. The ODM has got its structures and mechanisms of addressing issues if and when they